This red Bosch Tassimo coffee maker is a stylish, sleek looking machine with a modest price tag. You can make 12 varieties of hot drinks, including filter coffee, cafe crema, cappuccino, latte, espresso, hot chocolate and tea. Something for everybody. The flow heater technology with virtually no heat up time means that your favourite brew is ready very quickly at the push of a button. A perfect match for the red Bosch Tassimo is his stunning La Cafetiere red espresso cup and saucers. They are a great example of how small yet perfectly formed designs can leave an impression much larger than their physical size. The glossy red and white combination is impossible to ignore, making these smart espresso cups a very desirable addition to anybody's porcelain drinkware collection. Links to both of these great products can be found in the description box below this video.